Let me tell you guys what has happened. I don't know whether you have watched the time I was interacting with those guys. What? My camera was about to go. Kembea! What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, my name is Claudia, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And guys, if you're watching for the first time, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and guys, turn that notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first among the people to be notified. So guys, today I'm back in the street, so let's go. Where? Hi. So guys, I just want to go onto the other side of the road. The streets are so busy. So guys, I'm in Isili and I'm walking in the back streets of Isili. So guys, let's go and explore the back streets of Isili. I know most of the people don't know Isili well, but I'm here guys to take you around. I'm here to take you around, so stay here, don't go anywhere. Hey. And if you're watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, I don't know which route to go. We have some two roads here, but let me use this one. Guys, I don't know if the streets are safe, but it's my first time being at the back street, so I hope I'm safe. Where? Let me go to the other side. But I think people are social around there because people are just so that guy is calling me. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Francis.
You've given a chance to choose between Jamaica and Trinidad. Which country would you prefer?
China.
This guy has decided to choose China, but I'm asking about Jamaica or Trinidad? Trinidad. Do you know Trinidad?
No. But Jamaica is the...
Can you remove your mask? We see you. My fans want to see you.
Your fans?
Yes, my fans want to see you tomorrow. Okay, why have you chosen Trinidad?
We'll talk tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. China people, we are coming for you. So let's keep on walking guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Claudia Walks, and make sure you tell a friend to subscribe. Let's keep on walking. Come ndio hiyo. Uko poa? Unajiona mahali? Angalia, unajiona? Unajiona mahali? Unajiona? Sawa. niko hapa tunatembea.
Na record nini?
Vitu zangu tu.
Acha hizo. Sikuwa tu yani mpeleka na Ria.
Oh, sorry. Ni YouTube.
Sisi naona unachukua mwenyewe.
Eh.
Je, kikwani mrembo wangu amekuwa mafisi tena?
Guys, I think I'm... Oh, can you stop that? Tuko live bana. Tuko live kwa media. Sawa sawa. Sawa. Tuko live kwa media. Tuko live kwa media. Usijali. Nakam bro. Unataka nikuchukue? Haya, between Trinidad na Jamaica, ukipewa hizo country mbili utachagua gani?
Between
Jamaica and Trinidad. Jamaica. Mbona? Kwa nini unapenda Jamaica? Guys, I'm trying to ask him why he loves Jamaica. He is fan of Jamaica. So guys, let's hear his view. Mbona unapenda Jamaica? Oh, because of weed. Because of weed. Nani mwingine? Nani anapenda Jamaica? I'm trying to ask these guys if they love Jamaica. Nani mwingine anapenda Jamaica? Uganda. Are you Uganda? Nani mwingine anapenda Jamaica hapa? Oh, because of Wajakoya people. Because I'm a musician. Unajua musician mmoja?
I love Jakiwa.
Abu timbia, unajua musician mmoja? Nani? Unajua song moja yake? Tuimbia song moja. So guys, these guys are just vibe. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Claudia Walks. Sawa.
Your YouTube channel.
This Claudia Walks. Kwa Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Oh, waambie unapenda Jamaica.
Jamaica tunatambua bana. Pia wasanii kama kama hao bana.
Teacher.
Kufikia hapa Ambassador Loaders bana.
Tuimbia kawimbo kamoja.
Wimbo moja nani?
Ya mtu mmoja unajua wa Jamaica.
Teacher.
Kuja utuimbie tukiwa hapa. Wacha ashuke.
Nipusi tu kila kitu nipusi.
Upush mimi.
Ako wapi? Anakaa.
Bravo jo.
Komiki.
Nataka kukesha tena kwa mapiga sana.
Ati umesema unaitwaje?
Naitwa Claudia Walks kwa YouTube,
Claudia Walks.
Kwa Claudia Walks. Sisi tunatembeanga huko kwa street. Ila kutembea tukiinteract na watu, tukia vibe. Ni YouTube. Ni YouTube.
Uko peke yako?
YouTube sana ni yangu na nyinyi. Leo tuko Isili. Kuinteract watu wa Isili. Kuja mami wange. Hapo wapi huyo jamaa wangu? Kwa kazi. Haya sawa. Si ni tembee tu alafu nikaa. Mnakuanga hapa? Kesho mnakuwa? Kesho nitakuja tu
makero kwa barabara.
Kesho nitakaa kwa hiyo vibe na tukule lunch pamoja.
Haina ile.
Haya poa. Kesho sana tupatane hapa.
Kwa hivyo kesho utasimamia lunch.
Kesho.
Tuende mjini msanii.
Kwa nini wa msanii?
Huyu wa Mareke. Atakuimbia saa hii moja.
Ako wapi? Nilikuwa nataka kupita hii route. Nilikuwa nataka kuingililia hapa.
Hapo pale akiamuru jamani.
Siende umwambie niko hapa akuje.
Waje nikimbie.
Guys, people here are trying to call me. Guys, I don't know whether these streets are safe, but let's pray for me. I know it's okay. Let's pray for me, guys. Because it's my first time to be here. Oh, sorry. It's first time being here, so guys, I hope I'm okay. Yes. It's okay. I'm missing working. Unataka pamoja? Oh, sawa sawa. Guys, this guy wants to take a photo with me. It's just a vibe. And then two questions. Between Jamaica and Trinidad, choose one country.
Kenya. Trinidad.
Trinidad. You know Trinidad?
Yeah.
Oh, why do you love Trinidad?
I like
What do you love about Trinidad?
Hollywood.
What else?
Mandre.
What else?
Mapumpum huko pia wameweza.
Mapompom, those are ladies, right? Oh, ladies from Trinidad. Much love from Eastleigh here in Kenya, Africa. We love you, guys.
I love you too.
It's okay.
Yes, we love you.
Oh, come say we love them. Come say. Come. Okay. Me a YouTube Claudia walk. Yeah. So guys, there are some guys who want to see me on the other side. They want to know what Claudia Works is doing on this street. So let's go. Oh, look at these guys. They are overworking. Unataka selfie na wewe? This guy wants a selfie with me. Oh. Exactly.
Who are you?
I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. Do you love Jamaica or Trinidad?
I love Jamaica.
Why do you love Jamaica?
Do this.
Okay, this is so crazy. If you understand that language, oh, let me know. What else do you love Jamaica? Nini ngine unapenda kuhusu Jamaica?
Rembo kuja ongea.
Nini ngine unapenda kuhusu Jamaica?
Wewe umeuliza swali ongea.
Nimekuuliza swali jibu, si mlikuwa mnaniita.
Alikuwa anakuita.
Ongea.
Takuja na kuja. Unataka kuongea? Haya, sawa sawa. Guys, let's keep on working and interact with more people. All of a sudden, guys, I've gotten a tour guide, but you can still appear to my videos. Unajua kuna watu wapendi kuonekana kwa kamera, that's why I have to respect them. Unaweza ongea? Yo, ongea. Hi. Nitatoa ina shida.
Ongea ukiwa pande ina.
Sawa. Unataka nijirekodi na wewe? What do you love about Jamaica?
I don't like Jamaica.
You don't love Jamaica? You love Kenya? We are talking of two countries, that is Jamaica and Trinidad today. If given a chance to choose between Jamaica and Trinidad, which country would you choose?
I choose Jamaica.
Jamaica, why Jamaica?
Because Jamaica people are so happy. So tricky about life something.
If you're watching from Jamaica, much love from Kenya, Africa. Nini ngine?
Tumekaa na nini hapa. Support you more nini.
So guys, this guy has just supported me, guys. You know these streets are not that safe, but with this guy, I got the love. Yeah. Next time tomorrow I'm coming, yeah? You sit around there. Sawa. Hi. You want to appear? Okay. Sawa. Claudia Works on YouTube. Haya, sawa basi. Nitapitia hapo. Sawa. Pale nimeshukuru sana. I hope you Unachukuliwa sema hi.
Hi. Mimi naitwa Vincent.
Wambia song moja ya Jamaica. Wambia song moja ya Jamaica.
Ngoja, naitwa Vincent. Na Chembanga. Song moja ya Jamaica. Ya reggae.
Ya reggae. Wimbo moja ya reggae.
Ya Banisikia.
Yeah, yoyote tu ile yenye unajua.
Wacha niweke Buffalo Soldier. Buffalo Soldier.
Nauliza.
Tuendelee.
Kwa shida gani? Ni nini inaendelea?
Endelea.
Hadi kwetu.
Oh, ni mimi mnachekelea. Thank you so much. Hi, how are you? So guys, people are just vibing here. Let's keep on walking and interact with more people on this street, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video. Let me tell you guys what has happened. I don't know whether you have watched the time I was interacting with those guys. Well, my camera was about to go. I just pretended to be like a good girl, but I can't try this again. I can't try this again, but I hope guys with your support, Claudia gonna walk to this street more and more and more. So guys, let's keep on this. Hi, how are you? Claudia works on YouTube. If given a chance to choose between two countries, that is Jamaica and Trinidad, which country would you prefer? Jamaica and Trinidad.
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Why Jamaica? Jamaica.
Because there's no restriction of what is there in Jamaica.
I don't know. Why have you chosen Jamaica?
Because I've not been that place.
You have not been to that place.
Yes.
So you want to you love Jamaica, but you want to visit that place.
Yes.
Oh, that's what's your name?
Orina Walter.
Orina Walter, guys. Remember, I'm in the back street of Isley, and I've met Walter. Walter is a cool guy. Make sure when you come to Isley, say hi to him. And you?
Something we can share with you. Something.
You want something?
Yeah.
Maybe once I go and come back. Huh?
Oh, you go and come back.
Come back. Which country would you choose between Jamaica and Trinidad?
Me? I'm just Jamaica because we just fly every time.
Hey, you love Jamaica?
Yeah.
What makes you to love Jamaica?
Because of flying every time we fly to Jamaica, we see people there.
Wow, that's good. Oh, that's good. Sawa. I'm Claudia, works on YouTube. Hi, sawa. Bye. So guys, let's keep on walking. Hi, bro. So guys, let's keep on walking on these streets as we interact with people. But you know what, guys? I just noticed that these streets, people don't know much about YouTube. But guys, I have to keep on coming here. I have to interact with them, guys. Yeah.
What's going on?
Nothing, bro. So let's keep on walking, guys. I'm telling you guys, these streets are not safe at all. People are just asking me, what's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? And then I'm like, whoa, nothing. Because they can see I've just broke my camera, and I've just blocked my front camera, so they can only see me. But once I turn the camera, they won't see them. So let's keep on walking, guys. Let's see what's happening here. This is how the view looks like. Guys, remember we're in the back streets of Isley, and this is how the view of back streets of Isley looks like. And I hope wherever you are watching my videos from, you are enjoying this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Claudia Walks. And guys, we have come to the end of the video. Make sure to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.